Tell me how well magic works.
Did you say magic?
I mean, science actually
I don't
affirm
magic, though. So
yeah, so like the end of your emails, all of your emails to me, end with blessings, right? Do you know what a blessing is? It's a magical enchantment.
Did you say magic?
It's the opposite of a curse. It's a positive enchantment instead of a negative one. So when you tell someone to have a blessed day, I hear have a magically enchanted day. Because
did you say magic?
Because that is exactly what you're telling me.
Well, this has come up, I think, in several debates that you've had, right? So this is simply, and I'll try to say this as respectfully as I can. This is simply question begging of, I don't like your terms and definitions, I'm going to use mine. And so therefore that's what you must mean by it.
I can use yours. We will say supernatural. Yeah. The audience will understand that supernatural equals magical equals supernatural.
Did you say magic?
Natural. They all get that. If you don't want to accept that, that's fine. I don't have to pin that on.
That's fine. That's just. We'll
stick with the word supernatural, and somehow you can wish people enchantments, and you can believe in curses, and you can believe in the golem spell, and all somehow that doesn't qualify as magic for you for reasons that are entirely your own, and I don't care.
In all seriousness, language is important, and it changes significantly over time and culture. Magic distinctly carries a negative connotation in today's modern context. It's largely perceived as meaning primitive, silly, unsophisticated, or maybe the act of illusion in today's culture. To use magic as the primary word for someone's beliefs, especially a belief system that has such a rich philosophical background as Christianity does, is an effort to undermine the position and beliefs with your language rather than with valid argumentation. This is actually unsurprising, given that Aron notoriously does this with the word faith as well. Perhaps Aron would be more persuasive if he took a less magical approach to his use of words.